Intro. Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful and affordable piece of home decor that you can make yourself. We are going to be making a DIY woven wall hanging. Step 1. Gather materials first. Let's gather our materials. You'll need a wooden dowel, yarn in various colors, a pair of scissors, and a tape measure. You can find all of these items at your local craft store. Step 2. Cut the dowel in next. We'll cut the wooden dowel to the desired length of our wall hanging. I'm going to cut mine to about 12 inches. Step 3. Tie the yarn to the dowel now. Let's tie our first piece of yarn to the dowel. We'll use this piece as our base for the weaving. Make a knot at the top of the dowel and let the yarn hang down. Step 4. Weave the yarn. We'll start weaving by taking another piece of yarn in a different color and looping it around the base yarn. Then, we'll bring the yarn over the top and under the bottom of the base yarn. We'll repeat this process until we reach the end of the base yarn. Step 5. Continue weaving. We'll continue weaving, alternating colors and creating different patterns. You can create stripes, chevrons, or any other pattern that you like. Be creative. Step 6. Finish the wall hanging. Once we've woven enough yarn, we'll tie it off at the bottom of the dowel and trim any excess. Then, we'll tie a piece of yarn at each end of the dowel to use as a hanger. Outro. And there you have it. Your very own DIY woven wall hanging. This project is so easy and customizable. You can use any colors or patterns that you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects like this one. Thanks for watching.